Okay, so let's start our clothes. So we all know that clothes are very, okay, 1 minute. Okay, as we know that clothes are very important for our body. They protect us from rain, they protect us from danger, from the harmful things. Okay, so why do we think we need clothes? Why do we think that we need clothes? Because we all wear clothes and we need clothes to cover our body. They protect our body. They protect our body means they save our body from heat, cold, wind and rain. They make us look good and smart. So why we need clothes? What is the answer of this question? Why we need clothes? Because answer is from here that we need clothes to cover our body. They protect our body from heat, cold and wind. They make us look good and smart. Now we are going to learn about different kinds of cloth for different occasions. We wear different type of clothes for different occasion. Occasion means for different purpose, for different situation. Like we wear casual clothes every day. Casual clothes mean those we used to wear in our home. Okay, barir poshak. Those we used to wear in our home, they are known as casual, mean normal clothes. Normal clothes every day. But we wear some special clothes on special occasion. We wear special clothes on special occasion like our birthday party, like festival. So for any festival or for any occasion, the clothes that we wear, they are known as special clothes. Now to look at this box. Some clothes are made from silk. Silk comes from silkworm. Silkworm in Bengali we say kuti poka. So silkworm is a worm from where we get silk. So from where we get silk, we get silk from silkworm. Now let us learn from different kind of clothes. So there are some clothes that we wear in different season. Like summer, winter, rainy. So for each and every season, there are special kind of clothes. So let's learn about them. Okay, now start. Clothes of different season. Look at the page 24, all of you. Look at the page 24. Clothes of different seasons. So cloth of summer season. We like to wear cotton. Cotton means shuti. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. So if I ask you a question that which type of cloth keep our body cool, your answer will be cotton clothes. We get cotton from cotton plant. So from where do we get cotton? Underline all these sentences that I am doing. We get cotton from cotton plants. Okay. In summer days, people are also like to wear light colored dress like white, yellow, light pink colored dress. Okay. Next, clothes of winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season because why we wear woolen cloth in winter season? Why? What is the reason? Because woolen cloth keep our body warm. WARM, warm means feeling hot, keeping hot. They keep our body hot. They keep our body warm. That's why in winter we wear woolen clothes. We get wool from sheep. So from where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep. Now, clothes of rainy season. In rainy season, when it rains, like nowadays, we wear raincoat, gum boots. They help us avoid getting wet. Avoid getting wet means ভিজে যেতে দেয় না. We also use an umbrella during rain. Plastic or rubber is used to make raincoat and gumboot. Very important line, underline this. Plastic or rubber used to make raincoat and gumboots. So plastic or rubber, these are mainly used to make raincoats and gumboot. Why? Because plastic or rubber, they are waterproof material. Waterproof means they doesn't allow water on the surface. এগুলো গায়ে জল জমতে দেয় না. They are waterproof. Okay, they are waterproof thing. Ridhan, why you move from the class? Okay. And last one is uniform. We know uniform means that is very important for us, that some people do special job. They wear uniform. We also wear uniform for our school. So we also wear our school uniform. So uniform means also a special dress. Uniform means also a special dress. Okay, and you should also wear uniform while you are doing the class. Okay, and the last one, taking care of clothes. How do we take care of our clothes, or how should we take care of our clothes? We must wash and iron the clothes regularly. We must wash and iron our clothes regularly. We must always wear clean clothes. Okay, we'll do the exercise tomorrow. I didn't say do it today. Oishani, Adrija, no need to do the exercise today because one by one we will solve the exercise. Okay, no need to do it today. So what you will do now? Now I am calling your name one by one. At a time, I will call the name of 5 students. They have to unmute their device and have to read the chapter. That much I will tell you. You have to read out only that. Okay. রিধান অগ্নিদীপ্তা শুভ্র, রিধান অগ্নিদীপ্তা শুভ্র, শ্রেয়ান সঞ্চারী and Ayushman. First read the chapter. Don't raise your hand, student. Ognidipta, Shubhro, Shreyan Sanchari, Ridhan. Read the first paragraph only. I'm marking this from here to only this one. Look at my screen. Only this much. Shubhro, Ognidipta, Shreyan Sanchari, Oishani Adrija. Read out only the first paragraph. Read out only the first paragraph.
Why do you think we need clothes? We We all wear clothes. We need clothes to cover our body. They protect our body from heat, cold, rain, wind, and
Samia, read out the chapter. Don't sit
our body
silently.
from heat, wind,
Jishan,
and
Ankit,
rain.
Riddhima,
They make us good and smart.
Shomodip, Ridhan, Shari, Usman, Ashif, Upama,
We wear different types of clothes for
Vedasita,
different
Isha, Shufian, Maria, Mongoli.
we are
Everyone,
wear
read out the chapter. I'm not getting your voice. Not project, that is, they protect our body. Not project, that is, they protect our body from wind and rain. And that is not wine. This is wind, W-I-N-D, wind. Okay, Shubro, you can mute your device. Now, Shubro, you can mute your device. Yes, read out the chapter, all of you. Molisha, Suti,
Why do you
everyone.
think
Jewel,
what we did
yes, all of you. No need to ask me. Everyone. Everyone. Okay. Don't shout. Yes, Adrita, read.
Why do you?
Okay, Upama, you can sit silently. Upama, you can sit silently. But next time next time try to do the class with book, okay? Shomodeep, no need to look at my screen. Look at your book and read out the chapter. Shomodeep, unmute your device. Read out the second paragraph. Second page. Second page.
We wear clothes, cotton clothes in summer
Season.
season. Clothes, clothes, cotton clothes keep our body
Chapter.
cold. They take clothes from the cotton
Riddhima. Okay,
we
Shomodeep.
wear
Acha, very good. Now, okay, Shomodeep, very good. Now, Onki, read out clothes of winter season. Unmute your device. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out clothes of winter season. Okay, student. I am doing the exercise for you. See, we wear casual or dirty clothes every day. Give me the answer. We wear casual or dirty clothes every day. We wear casual or dirty clothes every day. Casual clothes. Yes. Heavy or cotton cloth keep our body cool. Heavy or cotton clothes keep our body cool. Cotton clothes. Cotton cloth keep our body cool. We get wool from earthworm or sheep. We get wool from. Unmute your device and say. We get wool from sheep. Rubber. Okay. Rubber or iron is used to make raincoats and gumboots. Rubber. Very good. We must wash and iron clothes yearly or regularly. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Regularly. Very good. Okay, now do this. Everyone, look at page 26 and do this. Look at page 26. More to do. Do this. Apart from you, a lot of people wear uniform when they go to work. Write the color of the uniform of each one of them. Policeman, nurse, sweeper and soldier. You have to write the name of the color of this uniform. Can you write the color of the uniform? Do this one. Do question number 2 only.
First one, gray.
Yes. If you can write, then do. Otherwise, do only question number 2. It will be gloves. Who can tell me the spelling of glove? G-L-O? Very good. After that, muffler. Muffler. Tell me only one time. Tell me only one time. After that, gumboot. Very, very good. Gumboot. Why you are telling me continuously? Tell me only one time. Why you are repeatedly telling me? Why are you shouting all of you? Is this a way to give reply to the teacher? UMBRELLA. Bus. Done. Why you are repeating the answer continuously and making so much noise in the class? Completed?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, do.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, look at think and answer. Look
Yes,
at the question.
ma'am.
Look at the question. Okay. Rihanna wearing. Okay, don't talk. Rihanna is wearing cotton clothes and she is shivering from cold. Can you guess the name of the season? Can you tell me? Wearing cotton clothes. And she is shivering from cold. And the name of the season is winter. Very good. Very good.
Winter.
Yes. Winter.
Very cold. That time we say it is winter season.
What do you wear when you go for a birthday party? What do you wear when you go for a virtual? Special dress.
Sir, special dress.
Special dress. Very good. Special dress. Okay, very good. So your homework is just read the chapter carefully today. We'll give you to write the question answer. Okay, tomorrow second period there will be virtual zoo tour. Your timing is second period also. Virtual zoo tour. So I will also be with you tomorrow. Tomorrow your second period, it's been in my class. You have to join in the given link that you have received in the school app. So in the second period, there will be virtual zoo tour. Yes. So must attend that program. I hope you know.